YouTube, what are you guys doing? Are you still like barbering or what? What's going on? You gotta have hustle and motivation.
That's all I'm trying to do. Hustle and motivate. All my life, been grinding all my life. Sacrifice. Hustle and motivate.
Listen, I don't want to get copyrighted, okay? Chill, just chill, okay? Listen, if you guys aren't motivated, okay, here's some motivation right here. In this video, I did a transformation, okay? I don't want to do my mans like this, but he looked like y'all gonna see what he looked like, all right? I don't gotta say it, but my man he was in dire need of a haircut, okay? I'm gonna explain to you guys step by step on how I did it. Listen, everybody right now, I'm gonna give you time. Make sure you smash the like button. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. It could be on this side too. It could be on this side too. But make sure you smash the like button and you hit that subscribe button. Like I said, it could be on this side too. Don't fault me for wherever it is. Do not fault me, okay? It's your boy 360 Jeezy. Stay tuned. Alright you guys, so before you actually start cutting, what you want to do is pick the hair out first. I already picked the hair out before I started the video. So right now, I got my 2-guard on with the lever open, and I'm going with the grain, checking for cowlicks, making sure that, you know, I go as slow as possible so I don't nick or gouge my client. Because my client had a big afro, there's still some hair that's sticking up, so I want everything to be even at that 2-guard length. So what I did was I put on the 4-guard with the lever open, and I'm going against the grain of his hair growth pattern. Now that I got everything to the length that I want, I'm using my Babyless Skeleton FX, and I'm setting in my bald line. This time I'm not setting it in directly in because I don't want to leave a harsh line. So what I'm going to do is turn the clippers around and go upward. Now with my Babyless shavers, I'm gonna shave the bottom half razor bald, and I'm not gonna go all the way up to that line. I'm gonna leave like a ½ inch. This just creates another transition to your blend, makes it look way cleaner. And I don't do this on, you know, all African American clients. I only do this with straight hair. Now switching clippers to my wall cordless seniors with the lever open, I'm going up about a ½ inch, and I'm trying to keep that, you know, that vertical bar as low as possible. So you're gonna see me kind of put a curve to it. That's because I want to leave that area dark. So I'm going around, going back, and mind you guys, I have a Andis blade on my wall cordless seniors. So in the same way that I set the lever open, I'm putting on my one guard with the lever open and doing the same exact thing. I'm leaving that vertical bar a little darker, and I'm going up about a ½ inch, keeping it consistent all the way around. Now with the 2 guard with the lever open, I'm gonna run that clipper straight up. I'm not gonna dig in, and whatever comes off, comes off. But I am trying to keep it under that ½ inch width. Now I'm gonna close the lever on that 2 guard and just clean up that area between the 1 and 2. So I see that 2 guard closed, didn't really take out as much as I needed to. So I'm gonna use my 1 guard with the lever open and basically in a flick out motion, flick out that area between the 1 and the 2. So now I'm gonna close the lever on my 1 guard and just soften up that middle line in a flick out motion. So because I softened that middle line up, it's easier for me to take out that middle line with the 0 guard with the lever closed in a flick out motion. You don't have to really do too much. I just use my corners and, you know, take out that bottom line. I start below the line and flick to the line. So since I'm going with this rhythm of just closing the lever a little bit on every guideline, I just decided to put my lever halfway and just soften up that bottom line before I actually take it out with the lever closed. Now with the lever fully closed in a flick out motion, flick out that bottom line. It's gonna be way easier because you softened it up. You're not gonna be able to see too much of the, the guideline at the bottom, but there is some areas that you're gonna be able to fix up with ease.
HustleDreamProduction.
So right now, the last thing you want to do as far as the blend, you want to take a look away from the blend or look in the mirror, do whatever it is that you have to do to relax your eyes, to get a different perspective on what you see. All right, I'm going in areas and I'm clearing out bulk, and I'm, just using my corners as much as possible, trying to perfect my blend. So when fading the beard, I use the same exact steps as if I was to fade, the sides, but I just fade downward. So use the same step, just go downward. I'm not gonna fade a whole lot, but typically I'm using the same steps. So I like to prep the hair before I actually do my lineup. So right now I'm spraying spritz on my client's hair, or hairspray, whatever it is that makes the hair harden, and I brush it down and blow dry it, and then that's when I'll start my lineup. Listen, let me tell you why they call me 360. When they sit in my chair, I spin them in a full 360, and they come out looking like,
damn, son, where'd you find this?
We make it look easy.
You too, this is the cut. And if you like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Also, HustleDreamProduction, that's my brother, he does all my beats. His YouTube channel will be linked in the description below. Also, if you want to know where you can find any tools that you see in this video, links will be in the description below. Otherwise, you guys can follow me on Instagram and TikTok. My Instagram is 360Jeezy and my TikTok is official 360Jeezy. But it's your boy 360Jeezy, and I'm out of here. Chit.